Hello friends, we are back again at Nexus Merodent and I hope you guys are doing okay. So today we have an interesting video for you guys which is going to explain you the various uses for air motor and why is it necessary, what are the advantages of air motor, and most of you people might be already aware what the air motor is, but for those who do not know what the air motor is and what all the air motor is capable of doing, so this is the video which is going to help you to understand it in a more better way. So let's begin the video without wasting any time. So air motor is a device which reduces the speed and it turns your micromotor to your chair compatibility ratio. So when you use your air rotor, normally you achieve a high speed, but if you use an air motor, it reduces the speed and you can use your low speed handpieces on an air motor, such as straight handpiece, contra-angle handpiece, and so on. So there are two kinds of air motors. One is an external irrigation air motor and one is an internal irrigation air motor. So why irrigation is required? What happens when you're doing a surgery, a bone cutting, and the bone is getting heated up because there is no water? Because when you have an external micromotor like a clinical micromotor, there is no provision for supply of water. So, and that is not a chair side, that is an external device. What happens that when you want to use it in the chair side and you want the irrigation also? So yes, the answer is that the air motor is going to do your job. So you don't need a micromotor, you don't need a control box. All you need is a air motor, this device, which is gonna be good enough for all your slow speed work. That is your polishing work, your bone cutting work, your other work which you want to do in low speed, composite polishing and other work which do not require high speed work. So this device is gonna help you in solving all those issues. So coming back to the features of air motor. So there are two kinds of air motors. One is external irrigation, one is internal irrigation. So external irrigation, there is a water attachment externally, and for the internal irrigation, the water supply is inside the unit. So if you're using a normal regular contra-angle handpiece which do not have internal irrigation, you need to use an external irrigation air motor, and same applies with a straight handpiece. So 80% of the straight handpieces and contra-angle handpieces are without irrigation, internal irrigation. So the external irrigation air motor is good enough for those handpieces. So now if you want to do more complex surgeries, more advanced surgeries, so we have internal irrigation air motor, we have internal irrigation straight handpiece, we have internal irrigation contra-angle handpiece, all in-house with NMD. So let me show you the devices, let me show you how it works, and we can understand it in more better way. So let's see the devices over here. I'm going to quickly show you the devices first. They are all brought by NMD. So this is an external irrigation air motor, and you can see the water attachment over here. This is an internal irrigation air motor wherein you would not see any water attachment. Now coming to the straight handpiece, this is a regular straight handpiece wherein no irrigation provision is given. This is a contra-angle handpiece, your regular contra-angle handpiece. Again, there is no provision for irrigation is given. We'll come back to these handpieces later on because 90% of the clinics would have these regular straight and contra-angle handpieces. So first I'm going to talk about these, and these are more advanced. So we'll cover these later. So we have these two tubings which are very, very useful, and I would definitely recommend that you need to keep these tubings with you. So this would evaluate the use of irrigation, and it would you would not require a high-end handpieces wherein the internal irrigation is there. So you can still do your job with these external irrigation attachments. So this is the attachment for a straight handpiece, and this is the attachment for your contra-angle handpiece. So these attachments, they cost nothing, it is very cheap. These attachments for the contra-angle handpiece gets fitted over here, and for the straight handpiece it gets fitted over here, and it gives the irrigation directly on where the burr is there. So you know, you're cutting, bone cutting and surgery and all that, so it's gonna give you a good water supply. So let's understand how this air motor works and what are the features. So this is a regular 2-hole attachment. It will directly fit into your handpiece, your aerator attachment handpiece. We have available in 4-hole also, for example if somebody is using outside India where the 4-hole is popular. So there is a lever over here wherein it revolves, and you can see if you keep it in the center, the machine is not going to move. That is a turn off mode, and this is forward, this is reverse. So let me quickly attach it and show it to you. I'm just gonna quickly attach this. It's gonna regularly go into the regular 2-hole handpiece, and this is already attached. I'm gonna keep it in the forward mode. If I don't want the water, I have to switch off the water so that the water will not come. Right now I have enabled the water so that you can understand how the irrigation works. And so let's attach this straight handpiece first. The straight handpiece is attached. I'm gonna attach the tubing over here. So the tubing is attached over here. I'm gonna remove the regular burr and I'm gonna use a carbide burr, a bone cutting burr. This is the bone cutting burr, and I'm just gonna quickly, I have a model over here, and I'm just gonna quickly demonstrate that how the irrigation is gonna work. So we have a model, dummy model over here, and you can see this is a water supply which is coming, and it's very much helpful when I'm cutting a bone. It's gonna give me a good irrigation where my cutting is gonna be also faster, and the bone is not gonna get heated up, the handpiece is not gonna get it up, the burr is also not gonna get it heated up. So this is the advantage of the irrigation and the air motor. Similarly, for the contra angle also, it works in a similar fashion. This is the contra angle, and these attachments can be attached into any contra angle handpieces. They are very much universal, and if you want these attachments, they are easily available with us any given moment of time at a very reasonable cost. These are must attachments. So most of the times you would not need irrigation when you're doing a polishing work. This is just a profi brush. But if you are using a bone cutting burr, which is like RA attachment, which is compatible to the contra angle handpiece, you would need irrigation. So as you can see, the irrigation is coming. So very interesting and very fascinating. So this was the contra angle handpiece and the external irrigation air motor. So this part is done. Now coming back to these handpieces over here, we are going to quickly understand these handpieces. So sorry for that noise, that was the portable dental unit. We have it placed over here, which is just to demonstrate. So this is the internal irrigation air motor, and to run this I would need internal irrigation straight handpiece and internal irrigation compatible contra angle handpiece. So this handpiece is a very interesting handpiece. This is one of the handpieces which can take the basal implant drills also, like the RA attachment drills are compatible with this handpiece, and also all the HP kind of burrs also are attached compatible with this handpiece. This handpiece has internal as well as external irrigation supply. If you want to attach it to a physio dispenser which does not have an internal irrigation, you can use this and you can attach your saline over here and you can work on your physio dispenser. And if you want to do it on your chair, this is an internal irrigation air motor wherein all the water is gonna supply from within, and you will get the irrigation just like your aerator handpiece. So let's try it and see how it works. And again, I'm gonna keep it in forward mode. If I want it reverse, this is the reverse. It can work on the reverse mode. If I don't want it, I just put it here. It will be in off mode. So let us try and understand what are the advantages for this internal irrigation air motor. All the water is gonna probably come in from within. So as you can see, the water is coming inside the straight handpiece. No external is there. Very nice, very smooth, very accurate. I love this internal irrigation air motor. It's very silent. The speed goes up till 55,000 RPM, whereas the other one goes up till 35,000 RPM. This is a contra-angle internal irrigation handpiece. It's a LED contra-angle handpiece. We have a LED contra-angle which runs on dynamo. No external fiber optic is required for this light source. And we are going to just quickly see this handpiece also. So you can see the light is coming, the water is coming, and a good water supply. Very nice. So the light helps me to work in a very precise manner, because the light is just a source wherein, you know, the precision of the work improves when you're in the mouth and you get an additional light, and you always feel better. So this was the air motor, and this is one of the last handpieces which is just left out over here. I'm just gonna quickly show you this last handpiece. Let me just move this away. So this is just a straight handpiece, wherein what we've done is we've welded a external pipe for irrigation, external water irrigation. So, you know, when you're doing maybe a surgery with a physio or something where you have a saline tube falling down, you can just attach it over here, or you can use the external irrigation air motor over here, and you can use the pipe over here to give you the supply. So friends, this was it. This was the special video for air motor. I had few requests based on which we decided to make this video. Some people had some doubts for air motor and its functioning. Hope this video is gonna help you guys to understand the working of an air motor. Thank you so much. Stay safe.